Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Millie, our AI sales manager with Sintra AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra AI and we're all logged in. And here you can see all of our wonderful employees that we have access to with Sintra. And here is Millie, our sales manager. We're going to go ahead and click on Millie. And here, first thing we're going to see is Millie's going to show us an idea that Millie's generated. And this is based on, if we go back here to the homepage here really quick, you'll see here this section that says no ideas for today. And that's because I've already generated the ideas for today. And so if we head back here to Millie, now we're going to see the idea that Millie has generated for us. So in this case, Millie has generated this idea, creating AI implementation case study templates for business transformation. All develop comprehensive case study templates that showcase how businesses have successfully transformed their operations using AI tools through your consultation services. These templates will help demonstrate real-world value and ROI to potential clients. So that's just one example of an idea that Millie has provided. Here we have a couple of other ideas: crafting your AI consultation value proposition script. We have creating a conversion-focused AI consultation discovery call script. So there's some really fantastic stuff here. I've developed a comprehensive discovery call script tailored for Skillcraft's AI's consultation services, focusing on qualifying prospects and showcasing expertise in AI implementation. So that is something that we're focused on here. And the fact that we can have something like Millie at hand to help us out with that is really quite incredible. And let's just take a look here at some of the other options we can clue into. First thing, let's take a look at, let's go ahead and click on new chat here. And here we could see that we have some helpful suggestions. If we want to select any of these, we just click on it and that's going to show up here in the bottom. And so this is one way of getting things moving. If you're not sure where to start, you can always click on one of these suggestions. So in this case, let's see. Let's go with develop a customer referral program. Let's optimize my sales funnel strategy. I think that sounds good. We're going to go ahead and click send on that. So now Millie is hard at work generating response. And in the meantime, I'll just point out here, we have our paperclip icon. So if we want to upload a document and use that so that we can get a response based on that, we can do that. We also have here right now, looks like the, oh, there we go. So we can use the voice option. So if you don't feel like typing things out, if you just want to do some stream of consciousness conversation with Millie, see where things go, then you can use that option and you can get some unique responses from Millie that way. And here we could see that Millie has already provided some unique insights. We could see here, $4,000 monthly revenue. Let's provide a comprehensive strategy. First, let me save some key information in memory. And so that's a good point to point out here our Brain AI section here in our menu. We'll see Brain AI. And when Sintra takes something to memory, that's going to show up here. And so this is just a list of all of the different little factoids that Sintra has been putting together about our business, so that way it can offer some more unique, tailored responses. And it's just incredibly powerful. Here where it says answer guided questions, we have 10 questions we can answer. When we log in the beginning, you'll see that option here as well. So if you don't know where to start, it's always a good idea to start with your ideas, start with your questions, and that's just going to give Sintra more information to really dial things in for your company. So let's go ahead and head back to Millie. Here she is. And here we have, back we're on our main chat. So we have our chat history here and we can rename our chats. This is something I'm going to go do, is rename the chat so that we have a better idea of what each chat is focused on. And we have our gear icon here. If we click on that, then here we have some different options to play around with. So you could change the vibe that Millie has. And in this case, I want to keep it strictly professional. I want my message length to be long. I want the language to be expert. I want my traits set to always search Google. And I'm just going to leave copy my writing style as is because that's not necessarily important. And then under custom instructions, if there's any specific information, you can put that in to tell your AI helper, and that's going to go back into your brain AI. So that way Sintra is giving you the most tailored responses, most personalized responses possible. Let's take a look at as well at the power-ups that we have here with Millie. So you can see your power-ups here. We have a couple of options to explore, but we can also click on See All. I'll also bring your attention here to where it says power-ups in the main menu on the left-hand side. If we click on that, then that's going to bring us to this page here where we can get a bird's eye view of all of the different power-ups that each of our AI helpers has access to. And here you could see all of the different options that Millie has. Let's go ahead and just head back here to Millie. We'll click on See All. And then here you go. We have the same power-ups that we can explore. So we can do scripts. We can have Millie help us write scripts for our cold calling. We can write cold emails for our products. We can generate a follow-up email for your lead. We can create an effective incentive plan for your sales team. We can generate a clear and legally binding sales contract for your customer. We can create a persuasive closing call script for your brand, generate a true to brand script that aims to secure a commitment from your audience. We can get guidance on negotiating a certain deal. That is incredibly useful. We can build a targeted email list of potential prospects for outreach. We could generate a comprehensive proposal based on the offer. So there's just so much here to explore. And of the different chatbots, I really do think that what Millie offers is really quite powerful. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of our options here. I'm going to go ahead and let's try the cold calling option out here. So here we have our addressee, we have our intention, we have our tone, we have additional settings, and each power up you're going to find a similar interface. The questions are going to be a little bit different, but this is all to get a tailored response. So addressee, so let's say real estate office. We'll say that. Intention, I want to offer Sintra as a solution. And for the tone, we're going to go with professional. Under more settings, we can add custom instructions, but we're not going to do that. We'll just leave that as is, but you can if you want. And let's go ahead and click on generate. And now Millie is hard at work creating a cold calling script for a real estate office. So here, if we want to call a real estate office and say, hello, this is so-and-so from Skillcraft. I want to quickly share how Sintra, an advanced AI tool, can simplify and enhance your real estate operations. It's designed to streamline data management, automate repetitive tasks, and improve client engagement, saving time and boosting productivity. Would you be open to a brief chat to explore how it could benefit your team? And here we even have a rejection response. So this is really powerful. And here we can improve the result. We can copy that. If we want to paste it, we can edit this. Let's go ahead and click on edit. So there you go. So this is just going to allow us to actually change specific information on our own. If we want to add information or take it away, we can do that. Let's go ahead and click on improve. So we could say here, make it longer, make it shorter, make it sound more like a Beyonce song. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but if you do, that's what you can do there. And let's go ahead and click make it longer. And so now Millie has done that, is provided a slightly longer version of our cold calling script. And so that is really phenomenal. So this is giving you an idea of everything that is possible with Millie. And you can see all of the wonderful power-ups here that Millie has. You can take advantage of each of these and get some tailored responses that can really help your business to succeed. We're very excited about Sintra. We are partnered with Sintra through their affiliate program. We're really excited about it. And we are happy to announce that we could provide a promo code, Skillcraft60, if you click on the link in the description and head over to Sintra to get signed up. If you use promo code Skillcraft60, you will get 1 month free so that you can get started with Sintra. You can see for yourself how Sintra can help you and your business succeed. I guarantee if you spend some time with Sintra, get it all set up, it can really help you and your business go to the next level. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.